Hello and welcome to our channel IMIND.AutoCAD. In today's video tutorial, we would be studying how to create this geometry. So before I teach you how to create this geometry, we must first decide from which point are we going to begin drawing this geometry. So we will begin this geometry from this point and we'll extend the line downwards 22 units, then to the left 60 units, and then on the top 22 units. Now here we have a line, but they have not given us a dimension, but we have got an angle of 45 degrees. So we can also draw this line. Then over here we'll draw one triangle of 16 units by 22 units and join the start and the end point. And then we'll extend the line from here to here of 22 units. And finally we are left with drawing two circles, one of 18 dia and second of 10 dia. So let me show you how we'll begin this drawing. So I'll pan the drawing a bit to the left, making space for our drawing, and now we'll begin the drawing from here. So I use the line command and I click over here and I draw one line down of 22 units and hit enter. Remember, my ortho is on, hence my lines are coming at 90 degrees increments. Now I want to go to the left 60 units, so I type 60 and I hit enter. Then I go on the top 22 units and I hit enter. Then I press enter to end this command. Now I want to draw this line of 45 degrees angle. So we'll again use the line command and we'll draw one line from here. Now I'll turn the ortho off by pressing the F8 key from the keyboard and then draw a line of any length. Let's take 35 for example, and then press tab and give the angle as 45 and hit enter. Then I'll press enter to end my command. Now let's begin drawing this triangle. So again I use the line command and draw one line from here to the top 16 units and hit enter, and from here to the left 22 units and hit enter, and join the start point with the end point and hit enter. Then I'll trim these unwanted lines, so I will type the trim command and I'll click here and click here. Then I want to draw one line from here to here of 22 units, so I'll type line and I'll draw one line clicking over here and take it to the left 22 units and hit enter. Now I want to trim this extra line, so I'll type trim and I'll hit enter and click over here. Enter to end the trim command. Now I want to draw this circle of 18 dia. So I'll use the circle center diameter command and I'll click over here and give the diameter as 18 units and hit enter. Now I'll move this circle to the right 18 units. So I'll use the move command. I'll click on the circle. I'll hit enter. I'll give the base point and I'll move it to the right 18 units and I'll hit enter. Now I want to move it on the top 18 units. So again I will select move command. Click on the circle, hit enter, give the base point as this and take it on the top. I'll keep the F8 on and take it on the top at 18 units and hit enter. Now I want to draw another circle of 10 dia. So again I'll select circle, center diameter, click over here and give the dia as 10 and hit enter. Now I want to move this circle 18 plus 24, that is 42 units to the right. So I'll use the move command and I'll click over here, I'll hit enter, give this as the base point and move it to the right at 42 units and hit enter. Then I want to move the circle on the top 10 units. So I will type move. Again I'll click on the circle. Again I'll hit enter. I'll give as this as the center point and move it on the top 10 units and hit enter. Now we'll draw the center marks. So I will type CM for center mark and click over here and again click over here. Then I'll press enter. Now our geometry is complete. We'll now begin with dimensioning. So I'll first click over here in the annotation panel and select linear dimensioning. Click on this point, click on this point, and we get the first dimension. Then again linear dimensioning, click on this point, click on this point and click on the end of this arrow, so you get 16. Then again linear dimensioning, so we click on this point, we click on this point and we get 22 units. Again linear dimensioning, we click on this point, we click on this point and over here 22 units. Now we want this angle of 45 degrees. So we select angular dimensioning, we click on this line and this line and give the angle as 45 degrees. Now we want to draw this dimensioning 18 units. So again I select linear dimensioning, click on this point, click on the center point and you get the dimensioning of 18 units. And then this dimensioning, so again linear dimensioning, this point and 22 units. Then this dimensioning, so again linear dimensioning, this point and center point of this and take it down 18 units. So we'll select linear dimensioning, center point of this, center point of this, and we click at the junction of this node and we get a line of 24 units. Finally, from end point of this to end point of this, 60 units. Then we want this dimensioning of 10 units. So again linear dimensioning, from here to here 10 units. Now we want to give diameter, so we click over here and we select diameter and we click over here 10 units. Again diameter, we click over here 18 units. If it comes in the center, just undo it, do it again. Diameter, ensure that you click outside the circle and your geometry is complete. So friends, in this tutorial we have seen how to create a simple geometry completely with the dimensions. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.